Woodworking is more than just a hobby. It's a thriving business opportunity that allows individuals to express their creativity while generating income. The charm of woodworking lies in its ability to transform raw materials into beautiful, functional pieces that resonate with consumers. As you embark on this journey, understanding the balance between craftsmanship and business acumen will be essential for your success. Developing a unique style can set your woodworking business apart from the competition. Consider what inspires you, whether it's rustic charm, modern minimalism, or a blend of various influences. This distinctive approach will not only reflect your personality, but also help you attract a specific audience looking for something special. Crafting a cohesive style across your projects can enhance brand recognition and customer loyalty. The choice of materials significantly impacts the quality and appeal of your creations. Sourcing sustainable wood can align your business with eco-friendly practices, attracting environmentally conscious consumers. Building relationships with local suppliers or exploring reclaimed wood options can provide you with high-quality materials while supporting your community. This commitment to sustainability can also be a compelling part of your brand story. Investing time in mastering various woodworking techniques is crucial for creating high-quality products. Whether it involves learning joinery methods, finishing techniques, or design principles, enhancing your skills will improve the overall craftsmanship of your work. Consider taking workshops or online courses to refine your abilities, ensuring that your products stand out in a competitive market. Design is at the heart of any successful woodworking project. Spend time sketching and conceptualizing your ideas before you begin crafting. This planning phase allows you to visualize the final product and make necessary adjustments early on. Experimenting with different designs can lead to innovative ideas that resonate with your target audience, making your work more appealing and marketable. While quality is paramount, efficiency in production is equally important for profitability. Finding a balance between meticulous craftsmanship and streamlined processes can enhance your output without compromising on quality. Consider using jigs or templates for repetitive tasks to speed up production. This optimization will allow you to meet demand while maintaining the charm and integrity of your work. Establishing a fair pricing strategy is essential for ensuring your woodworking business is sustainable. Take into account all costs, including materials, labor, and overhead when setting your prices. Research similar products in the market to gauge competitive pricing, but ensure that your prices reflect the quality of your craftsmanship. Offering customization options can also justify higher price points and attract a broader customer base. Effective marketing is crucial for reaching potential customers and generating sales. Utilize social media platforms to showcase your projects, engage with your audience, and build a community around your brand. High-quality photos and videos can highlight the beauty and craftsmanship of your work, attracting interest and encouraging purchases. Developing a consistent content strategy will help keep your audience engaged and informed. Establishing a strong online presence is vital for the growth of your woodworking business. A professional website can serve as a portfolio, showcasing your work and providing an easy shopping experience for customers. Consider leveraging e-commerce platforms to reach a broader audience. Ensure that your branding is consistent across all platforms to create a cohesive identity that resonates with potential buyers. Building relationships within your local community can enhance your business and create loyal customers. Participate in craft fairs, markets, and community events to showcase your work and connect with potential buyers. Engaging with other local artisans can lead to valuable collaborations and support networks. These connections can provide exposure and create a sense of belonging within the woodworking community. Social media is a powerful tool for promoting your woodworking business. Create dedicated accounts to share your projects, behind-the-scenes content, and customer testimonials. Engage with your audience through interactive posts, such as polls or Q&A sessions, to foster a sense of community. Consistency in posting and interaction will help build a loyal following and drive traffic to your products. Customer feedback is invaluable for improving your products and services. Encourage reviews and testimonials, and pay attention to any suggestions for improvement. This information can guide your design choices and help you understand what resonates with your audience. Demonstrating that you value customer input can foster loyalty and encourage repeat business. Customization is a fantastic way to differentiate your woodworking products in a crowded market. By offering personalized options, you can create unique pieces tailored to individual tastes. This not only enhances the value of your products, but also allows you to command higher prices. Promoting these customization options can attract a diverse customer base looking for one-of-a-kind decor. The presentation of your products can significantly impact customer perception. Invest in attractive packaging that reflects your brand identity and enhances the unboxing experience. Thoughtful packaging can create a lasting impression and encourage customers to share their purchases on social media. Consider incorporating eco-friendly materials to align with sustainable practices, further appealing to environmentally conscious consumers. Once you have established a successful range of wooden decor projects, consider expanding your product line to include complementary items. This could involve creating sets that work well together or exploring different themes that resonate with your audience. Diversifying your offerings can attract new customers and encourage existing customers to make additional purchases. Being aware of seasonal trends can significantly impact sales in your woodworking business. Create targeted products or marketing campaigns that resonate with consumers during specific times of the year. Crafting seasonal decor items or limited edition pieces can create urgency and attract buyers looking to enhance their homes for special occasions. Planning your production schedule around these trends can maximize your sales opportunities. Partnering with influencers in the home decor or woodworking niches can broaden your reach and attract new customers. Consider sending samples of your products to influencers for review or collaborating on projects that showcase your work. Their endorsement can lend credibility and introduce your brand to their audience, resulting in increased visibility and potential sales.